Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking tools and ingredients so melting goes smoothly. Measure 200-400 G chocolate wax and choose a double boiler or a microwave-safe bowl. You want controlled heat. Place a thermometer in the bowl early, because temperature is key. Aim for 45-50 degrees C to fully liquefy without burning. Once the wax is liquid, stir gently to distribute heat and eliminate hot spots, and transfer the bowl off heat promptly to avoid overshooting the target range. Now you control crystal structure for glossy, stable pieces by tempering. Once the molten wax reaches 45-50 degrees C, cool it down to 30-32 degrees C while stirring. This encourages the right crystals to form. If you want color or scent, add up to 5% pigment or fragrance now and blend until uniform. Test a drop on parchment to confirm set and color. Then keep the tempered wax gently warm so it remains pourable without losing the temper you worked for. Finish by pouring tempered wax into molds with steady hands. Tap the molds to pop surface bubbles, then let pieces set undisturbed. Once firm, flex molds to release items and inspect for gloss, snap, or bloom. Store finished products in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to preserve texture. If you see whitish bloom, stickiness, or soft spots, retemper a small batch and coat or remold. And make sure molds and workspace are completely dry before repeating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.